and I could show up in a Zoom meeting like I'm so dressed up and beautiful. Shoot. Hi, I'm Camila Coelho and I'm here with Refinery29. So today I'm gonna show you a little bit of my routine from home, how I'm staying healthy, outfits I like to wear inside the house, and how I'm keeping myself positive and motivated throughout quarantine. Morning guys, how are you? So I am here finishing getting ready. Even though I'm home, I'm still working, and getting ready in the morning as if I was getting ready to just leave the house as a normal day, it really motivates me. So here I'm just finishing. I did like something super simple, but some skin, a little bit of eyes, and I did curl my hair today because I felt like doing hair. That's it. So one thing right now, a lot of people ask me, how am I practicing social distancing? I'm really not leaving the house. I'm only leaving the house to go buy food, and I'm staying in, you know, I'm trying to stay active from home. I'm doing a lot of live workouts. I'm still working out with my trainer and maintaining a routine so that I don't feel like I'm just stuck at home. I'm still working, I'm still having a life. All right, so I'm gonna get dressed and show you what my favorite look this quarantine is. It's this set. It's actually from my brand, Camila Coelho collection. So take a nude blazer, same color. I love monochromatics, especially in nude. It's so chic. And I can add on fun earrings. This is one of my favorite looks to wear at home when I want to be comfortable, but yet chic and glam. And now I'm gonna show you 3 other looks that I love to wear at home. So one of my favorite looks to wear at home is sweatpants in all black. When wearing a hoodie, I like to pull my hair back, and I'll add on a chunky gold chain necklace. This way I look chic, presentable, even if I'm doing a Zoom meeting. I'm obsessed with this jacquard silk set, and I always tuck in the blouse to give me a cinched waist. I feel like I'm in pajamas all day, but I'm actually in a beautiful chic look. So on the weekends, my go-to are silk slip dresses because they make me feel comfortable. I can easily lay on the sofa and watch TV, but it also makes me feel sexy. And if I want to feel cozier, I'll throw on a maxi cardigan. And there we go. I could even throw a dance party. So some of you might ask me, why is it so important for you to dress up? I'm staying home, but I'm still working. So dressing up will make me feel like, okay, this is a normal day of work. We don't know how long we're gonna be staying home. We don't know how long this is going to last. I really have faith that it will be over soon, but what if it's not? After the second week, I was like, I cannot stay in my pajamas and loungewear every single day and like with no makeup on. I need to feel motivated. I need to feel like I'm active and like I'm doing something. And you know what? Dressing up makes me feel amazing. Even though if it's something super comfortable, I'm still making sure I put a cute outfit on and I'm ready to go. So did you guys like my home looks? Which one was more you or your favorite? Let me know. And I actually decided to stay in the black sweatpant set with my gold necklace on. I still feel nice, but I just want to be more comfortable without blazers. So how am I taking care of myself? How am I staying healthy during quarantine? I'm actually doing a lot of self-care. It could be the smallest things like reading a book, which for me is like therapy. I forget everything else that's going on and I concentrate on that. Things that you don't usually have time to do when your life is so crazy. So right now, take advantage of this extra time that you have to take care of your own self. Your body, your mind, your skin. Be active, make plans, have your to-do list for every day. That way you feel more motivated each day that you wake up, you know, all the things you want to get done. And also take care of yourself. Have your me moment every night. Now, one big question to you. What inspires you? What is inspiring you throughout this time? What inspires me on my everyday and what's inspiring me now especially is humanity, seeing people do good for others, seeing people care about the situation. But I'm also motivated, like, and excited for the day when this is all over, so that I can finally be with my family, be with my friends, and hug them, kiss them, and just have some human connection. I practice positivity, and I tell myself that I am lucky and I should be grateful because there's so many people going through really big problems right now. I hope that things that I talked about today can inspire you to be happier from home. We're all in the same situation right now, and I really hope that you can take some joy out of this video, that you can start dressing up some days, and that you can put a smile on your face the days you're feeling down. Really setting a routine and taking care of your mental health. Share with us here what has been motivating you. We would love to know as well, okay? Thank you so much for watching Refinery29. To watch more videos, click here, and to subscribe, click here.